Hello there. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back, guys. I'm so happy that you're joining me. Okay, so we're going to have some saute egg noodles, chicken, and vegetables on the stove. Okay? Alright, so let's do it. Give it a thumbs up, okay? Subscribe. Check out the links. Thank you. Okay guys, I have some oil here that is just covering the bottom of the pan, and this is our chicken. This is I think it was 5 chicken drumsticks that I cut the meat off the drumsticks. Okay, let's put that in there. We're going to add some adobo. Black pepper. Then I'm going to add some onion paste. Give it some nice flavor. And some garlic. I'm sorry, that was 3 heaping tablespoons of onion paste, and this is about 1 teaspoon of garlic. And I have olive oil in the bottom of the pan, just enough to coat the bottom of the pan. Okay, I'm going to put a little more olive oil in there because it seems like I don't have enough. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, now I cooked my egg noodles yesterday, and this is the egg noodles. This is a half of a bag. So I'm going to just heat this up in the microwave now to take the chill off. That's heating up on 2 minutes. You don't have to cook your noodles ahead of time. I did. You do have to let them cool down though. Okay, in this pot here, I have some mixed vegetables, which is peas, string beans, and corn cooking over here. I'm going to cut that off, and I'm going to drain the broth off of that. One second. Okay guys, the chicken has been cooking for about 6 minutes. So we want to start incorporating things. I want to add some chicken base. So I'm adding about, I'd say a half of a tablespoonful. I'm going to put that right in the bottom and mix that in so it melts over the whole pan. Okay, so let's start adding stuff. We're going to add our egg noodles. And the mixed vegetables. You just gotta mix it like it's a stir fry. I want to add some Saute everything. That's what I'm looking for. There it is. Saute everything. Okay, now we're going to put a little more olive oil to make sure it's not dry. And some pepper. And I need some color here. I need like some red color. Let me get some stewed tomatoes. 1 second. Okay, I found a can of diced tomatoes. Okay, let's go with that. So let's put 1, 2, okay, about 4 tablespoons of diced tomatoes. If you don't have diced, you can use stewed. Just to give it some color. If you don't want to waste the can, just put it all in. It's not the end of the world. Okay, I want to taste it to see what I'm missing. I'm missing some chicken broth. I don't taste it, so I'm going to put some more in here. 1. Okay, that's about 2 tablespoons full. Additional, okay? The idea when you cook is to make sure that you taste your food to see what you're missing. You know how you like it, you know how it should taste. Your taste buds will let you know. Okay, I'm gonna taste that one more time. I need a little more chicken base, and I think we're good. So here we go again. So I think we're up on about maybe 6 tablespoons, give or take, of chicken base. Okay? I think that'll do it. You know, pasta is very bland, so you got to bring something to the table with that. Okay, I think we're good. I'm going to cut that off. And I'm going to plate that up and let you see. Okay, guys, look at that. Oh, does that look good? Oh. Let me put some on a plate. I just wanted you to see that. 1 second. Okay, guys. Let me give you the word of the day before I taste it, okay? So the word of the day is stretch, stretch, stretch your dollar in every way, okay? So try to make meals that stretch, such as the meal that I made just now. The drumsticks, it was 5 drumsticks, that was $3. The noodles, it was a half a bag, that's 50 cents. I paid $1 for the bag. They were on sale 5 for $1. And a bag of frozen vegetables was $1.19. Under $5 to feed a family of 4. Now that's stretching your meal. Okay, so try to do that. Stretch your meat, stretch the meal, stretch your money, stretch your budget, stretch it, because we have been tested during these trying times, and so now we've learned what we have to do. So you know what you got to do now. Stretch that meal, okay? All right, so let me taste, okay? This is it. Don't that look pretty? That looks so pretty. Mmm. Wow. Oh, that really tastes good. So, what brings the flavor out for this is that chicken broth. So remember, this is sauteed chicken with noodles and vegetables in a chicken broth. Awesome. Awesome, guys. Awesome. And the kids will love it because they love noodles. Okay? So, egg noodles is working. Alright. So, thank you for hanging around. Please give this a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video. Subscribe. Check out the links below. Love you. Bye-bye.